X3 Pro, and I'm going to show you the features and what's inside the box, including its inclusions. So super solid. I just bought this from Shopee 1111, and it has really a huge discount, wherein naka-save ko more likely 3,000 from its SRP, which is 12,000. So please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe, and hope you love this video because we're having an unboxing. So without further ado, this is your tech guru Kenneth. Let's do start.
So what we have here is the box from all the way from China. So there, I have unboxed it already, so it is already open. And yeah, that's the user's new POCO X3 Pro, and including the box is the waybill and its warranty card. So let's open it. So first thing that upon opening it, first thing come out is the welcome kit, which it says welcome to POCO. And yeah, there's it, and there's a free sticker freebie. And let's check what's more inside. So there's the SIM toolkit ejector, the free case, jelly case, and the papers from POCO. And here is the phone, the exact phone. So yeah, super classy and very elegant. So it is already a Qualcomm Snapdragon. So let's open. So the type of color that I have chosen is the color gray, a silver. And then yeah, upon checking, there is smudges, so it's not smudge free. And as you can see how fast, because it's already at 120 Hz refresh rate, and it has its MUI 12.5 latest update. So what I'm having actually is a global version, so it's not the India version wherein it has lots of dead bloats. So here it is already a Android 11 version, and let's check. And we have the 33 watts fast charging. And yeah, so as you can see, it has uniqueness because it has color orange adapter ports, and it's yeah. So let's test how fast the junction impact when we open it. So timer starts now. So upon checking, it has 24 seconds now for Mobile Legends. So with just 20 seconds, Mobile Legends have already opened. So now let's try Pokemon Unite. So timer starts now. So by 20 seconds, still 20 seconds, the Pokemon Unite has already opened. So now let's try PUBG, if it took the shorter time. expected. It took 30 seconds, yeah. So these are all inside the box.
So what we have here is the included casing from the POCO X3, which is nice because it is rubber, and I like the durability of it, and yeah, it has a round back on it, so super nice. So they also have this welcome kit wherein it says welcome to the POCO family. So it's so nice, and we also have stickers wherein I actually already have used it, and we have also the warranty from the official POCO store, and the manuals from Xiaomi. So what I'm currently having right now is the POCO X3 Pro, and it is the 8128 variant, and I really do like, because this is from the Xiaomi brand. It is a partner from Xiaomi. It is POCO X3. This has lots of good qualities, and that I like within this phone, and knowing that it is on its mid-range, and it has a 120 Hz, and it has a Snapdragon. So that's the thing that I really like, because me myself is a gamer, so really solid. So the additional thing that I like the most about this phone, because it has 33 watts charging, so based on experience, try na ako siya like 3 times. It's really fast, more likely 1 hour and 30 minutes. It made my 5000 milliamps battery full in just 1030 minutes, so very fast, rather than a normal charger that it took 2 hours or 3. So this 1 hour and 30 minutes, it will make your battery full.